Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing great. Viewers, right now in front of you HP Neverstop Laser Multifunction Printer. The model number is 1200. The model is written here if you can see. Viewers, the issue is with this printer. The issue is printing very dim quality, poor print, not dark. If I will give the print command, you will see. I gave the print command now from computer test page. Let's see. What is the print quality? Hold on. Here we go, the print test page, and started printing. I will show you in the camera to teach you. Look, it's printing very dim from the middle. Okay, it's printing dim, not dark like here and there. From the middle it's printing dim quality. Today I will teach you how to fix this problem, and you can do it at home, not much difficult, without taking it to service center or paying money on it. Stay with me, watch the complete video. Okay viewers, first of all open the top cover. I will show you what is the problem exactly and how to resolve it. This is the tuner cartridge. Remove the tuner cartridge from the printer, and the issue is inside the tuner cartridge. Okay, there is inside one tuner blade that need to clean. I will teach you how to disassemble this tuner and how to fix this problem, how to clean the tuner blade, and then return it back to the printer, and then we will check again our print quality. Okay viewers, this is the tuner unit complete. Put the paper down because there is a downside, there is a drum, should not be damaged. Okay, there are 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3. Open these screws, and the other 3 screws are here, 1, 2 and 3. We have to remove these 2 plastic from both sides. Okay, I will open the screws now. There is, I told you earlier, tuner blade, you can say charging blade or tuner blade. We have to clean this because sometimes tuners after many printing, toner powder stick on this blade. That's why printer showed poor quality. Okay, now this side. This screws removed. Now we will remove this part, and from like here also. You can use star screwdriver also if it's little hard from here. I will use flat screwdriver to release this. Okay, there was a lock down actually. Look, we should release this lock from down. When you are going to open this tuner, there's a lock down over here, so be careful. I didn't notice this, so that's why I use flat screwdriver. Okay, keep it here, and this is a thing that I mentioned you before. This is the blade we need to clean, and you can see from the middle tuner is not coming well. You can see the difference over here. Here is dark and here is lines, white lines. from this side it's not printing fine, so we will clean this blade from inside, that is causing the dim quality. Open these two screws here, 1 and 2. Open these two screws. Okay, and then release this blade with the help of flat screw. Look, okay, from here also. Okay viewers, we will clean now this blade, and then we will clean the roller also. Clean this blade. Keep it as it is here. Clean this inner part also, guys. This is in part must be clean. Still there is toner inside stick. Okay. Okay viewers, don't forget to clean this inner part also. I cleaned it very well. Now you can see there's no toner inside. Clean this inner part here, and then with the tissue paper, should not stick toner inside. If there is toner inside the stick here, it will affect the quality of print. Okay, also clean here very well. Okay, it's now cleaned fine. Okay, I will keep it here. Then we will clean also this roller. Clean this roller. Okay, yes. Not need to clean more, just remove the waste toner from here. Fine. Then we will return back this blade that we removed earlier. Okay guys, now we will fix it back, same like we removed this before. Okay, make sure that not damage this side part. Okay, and carefully fix inside, like this we removed earlier. There were 2 screws before. Fix these screws over here. And 2 screws. Okay. The second screw was here. Fine. Okay, here we go. Now we have to place back these side covers. While first of all we will fix this down, then we will place back the side cover. Okay, here like this you have to place this, now the left cover. Okay, left cover placed, and then now we will place the right cover. Previous, place the left and right cover, then fix the screws. Screw from where you removed, place back. Now this side we will place the screws. Screws have been fixed. Now we will clean just a bit if there is toner over here. Okay, Now we will return back to the printer, guys, and we will see the print quality. Hold on. Okay, because we will return this back to the printer, and now we'll see. We'll turn the power on and check the print quality. How is this? Hopefully there will be a big difference, because okay, it's working. I will check now. I will give test command from my computer. Here we go, the print test page. Okay, it's printing test page. Okay, you can see before there was dim print from here, and now very big difference, very dark, and everything is fine. Okay, hope you understand the method what we did. I will explain again. In the tuner there was a tuner blade that the tuner was stuck there. Just we clean it and fix back again, and our printer is ready. This printer was model number here HP Neverstop MFP 1200, and poor print quality was. Now it's working fine. If you have any question regarding this printer, you can ask me in the comments below. I will reply your questions, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.